Hi, I'm Michelle, and today I will show you how to make a palm rose. I learned to make it by watching YouTube videos. If I can do it, you can do it too. So let's get started and have some fun. Right now, I'm going to split my palm. I'm going to fold it. I'm going to bend it. Cross over, cross over, cross over. Just repeat the steps. This is so easy. You can do it. Yes, you can. Now I'm going to flip it over. Stick the stem in the center. Sometimes it fights you a little. Try it again. And I'm going to pull it from the bottom. I'm going to twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. I'm going to wrap the stems. I'm going to insert this, pull it and tighten it. Insert it. Here you go. Miss Mary will take you into the second phase of this process.
Hello, my name is Mary. I'm working here at the McClellanville Public Library. Today we're going to feature the Palm Rose Wreath. Michelle finished just a little while ago telling you all how to fold the leaves, the fronds, what to do, and they come out like this. These have been dried for about 3 weeks. They are going to dry out some, but you can always keep them in a vase. All this will stay fresh. This has been in almost about 2 weeks now. It doesn't matter if they do dry out. That's just what happens with these after they're picked. Okay, to get started on this, you'll need glue or either the glue gun, some kind of ribbon if you like, scissors, and the twist tie works really well. You can buy this at the dollar store or at any of the supermarkets on an end cap or in the paper goods. So I'm going to take some of these, as these have already been wired on. This one, I'm going to go in the back here, bend it down just a little bit until it catches through the wire, and you bring it through 2 or 3 so that it's in here enough to where it's going to be on. Then you take the 2 ends, you twist these like so, and there is one of yours that's on like that. And you can do more if you like. This one, go there, but if you just want a few, you can do that. Then you can make a ribbon out of whatever ribbon you want to. You can use twine. Anything burlap is good now. And this, you do the same way as the rose. You're going to come down, you're going to go over the wire wreath, and you're just going to twist this on. And then you might have to re-section your wreath. Just pull this out just a little bit. And this is the wreath. And as I said, you can add more if you like. You may want to add some fall color, or maybe do a red and green for Christmas. This is a little Christmas ornament. You might want to do some separate ones like this. This is a little pin that you could put on. I did some. I put it on this sun hat here and the sun hat there. And then I decorated that with some fall leaves. So you can decorate a lot of different ways. This is a small one. This takes no time at all, hardly. Just cut out a paper plate. This is a small one. I sprayed it with a green color. I had this little ribbon for about 20 some years. I found it, so I put that on there, so it just makes it a little bit different. All of these roses, this is probably almost exactly like the one that you would find downtown. Michelle makes all of these wonderful roses. They make beautiful gifts. You can tie it together. This is one that I did. This would be something, maybe somebody wants just a simple wedding, a home wedding. This would be one that you would have your bridesmaids to carry. This one here is one I made the other night. Maybe it's not very fancy. Some people like that. They like more coming to Charleston, having their weddings, but they want to use these natural sources, anything that we have here from the wild. And that is just about all. I have one more to show you, two more. This is a candle ring. You can put that on the table, use it as a centerpiece. You can take that off. You can use this as a hanging. This could be a small wreath. This is just on a paper plate, on 2 paper plates, glued on. You can find all kinds of little forms at the dollar stores, Walmart, or any of the other craft stores. So if you have these and maybe they've turned a little crisp, this right here makes a nice little instant table decoration. Just take all these stiff ones, put it in just a little jar that you have, put a little twine around it, put a dried or green leaf, one of the ones that come from the magnolia tree, and then maybe add something for color like that. And that makes just a little instant for your table. And that's about all that we've been working on for the last probably 2 or 3 weeks. Try it. Try all different colors. Use the seasons to help you get an idea of what you want to do. And decorate your home with natural palm roses.